Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Bereal app. So guys, let's continue into your Bereal app and then tap on the two human icon in the left side of corner. Now tap on the search bar and search here for the name you want to block. And now choose the profile you want to block. Now tap on the three dots icon in the right side of corner. And now just tap on the second option, block Veli's post. And then just tap on confirm. So guys, that account is now blocked, and that's it. And that's how you can block someone on Bereal app very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.